I'm Horan. I'm going to show you guys another fun trick, the Pop Shovit. I do mine out on my hillside, and that's the flats area is what we call it. That's just outside of the wake. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop an ollie and just kind of scissor kick motion. Your front foot's going to go towards the wake and your back foot's going to go away from the wake. You're going to want to be kind of looking down on this, and so you can spot your landing. Spot your landing, put your feet on your board wherever's pretty much comfortable. Land out on your heels and ride away. Another thing that helps a lot with this that no other watercraft has is the pylon in the back of the sea. It just allows for whenever you're in the flats to get a little bit better of a pop.